In this video, you'll learn how to effectively organize your notes in Notion. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to streamline your note-taking process and enhance your productivity. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. You can do this by entering notion.so in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to access the features. Next, locate the template section within Notion. Click on the templates option, which is usually found on the left sidebar. This will redirect you available templates that can help you in organizing your notes. After that, type notes into the search bar at the top of the template section. This action will filter the templates, displaying options specifically designed for note-taking. Take your time to browse through the results to find a template that suits your needs. Once you find a suitable notes template, select it to view more details. Click on the Add button associated with the template to start the process of integrating it into your workspace. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize your note-taking experience according to your preferences. You will then be prompted to choose where you want to add the template. You can select either a team workspace or your personal workspace. Consider your needs. If these notes are for personal use, the private workspace option may be best. Next, click on See Template to view the full details of the template you have selected. This will help you understand how to use the template effectively for your note-taking. Once you've reviewed the template, click on New Note to create your first note using the chosen template. This action will open a new page where you can start entering your content. Now, type in the name of your note. For example, you might name it Meeting Notes or Project Ideas. Choosing a descriptive name is important as it helps you easily locate your notes later on. After naming your note, click on Notes to return to your notes section here. You will see all your created notes organized according to the template you selected. Continue by clicking on Pinned to view notes you've marked as important. This feature allows you to access frequently used notes quickly, enhancing your efficiency. Next, click on To Review to see notes that require your attention. This helps you prioritize your tasks and ensures that nothing is overlooked. You could also click on All Notes to view every note you have created. This comprehensive view allows you to manage your notes effectively. If you need to access additional notes, click on To More to expand your view. This ensures you can see all relevant notes without cluttering your workspace. Click on Log to track your note-taking activities. This feature can help you maintain a record of your notes and their purposes. Afterward, if you need further options, click on To More, again to explore additional functionalities offered by Notion. Finally, click on Archive to store notes that you no longer need immediate access to. Archiving helps keep your workspace organized and focused on current projects. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.